friends, I'm Leigh Brown, and if you've been following me and my amazing team at Patriot Relief, you know that we are doing everything we can to take care of our neighbors in Western North Carolina, and that means we're thinking about the Christmas season, but in a little bit of a different angle. We know that our kids have had their lives completely disrupted, but there's still some foundational things we want to help them remember as they look forward, and that is taking care of their parents and grandparents at Christmas. So we're putting together this amazing Winter Wonderland project where we will be going to some select schools to bring a shopping experience to the kids where they can shop at no cost for their parents and grandparents. And remember that taking care of each other is absolutely what we do at Patriot Relief and right here in North Carolina. So if you'd like to support our project, you can help us stock our shopping cart with the Amazon list here. You can also provide financial donations. And just so you know, our 501c3 is a full pass-through. 100% of your donations are going right back to our neighbors right here in North Carolina. And we're just honored to support foundational giving beliefs with each other and beyond. So we'd love to have your support. And if it works this year on our limited scale, look for a bigger rollout as we get our boots on the ground. Thank you in advance for how you can help through Patriot Relief.